we've got another video for you from How to Have Fun Outdoors. If you're a Class B owner and you've got the Truma water heater system, this is a Fault E212H. We're going to help you see how you fix that and what happened with us right after we bought our brand new Class B motorhome.
Hey, Alice.
Hi.
Your first ride.
Yes, it is.
Look at this. We're off and running. We have picked up the Coachmen Beyond, and we're getting ready to bring it to a city near you.
Wherever it is, it doesn't matter.
All right, let's do it. Hey, baby, how you doing?
Enjoy.
Awesome. We're off to Boston. Okay, we just got home and we're looking at our controls, and that took all but about an hour and a half, and we've got Truma furnace is reporting a fault, clear faults on actual Truma CP before using the Truma, and there's the code. So everyone told us RVs come with fun and problems, and here we are right off the bat.
I'm already on it.
Already on it. So
Yep.
There's my mechanic going to YouTube, and this is why you have YouTube, is to try to figure out what the hell's going on. And this took 3 weeks to prep, and they said everything was good to go. It's a beautiful RV. It just, we got a fault right out of the gate. So let's see what we got. Okay, so we're trying to figure this out on our own. You can see here we're on the home button, and we got plenty of propane. And over here, everybody knows the light button. And right now the set point is 65. Looks like we're at 60. Air heaters on, water heaters off, gas. So I'm guessing that the error message has something to do with the fact that it tried to spark, because you guys, actually the setup guy who we bought from today made the claim that he has never been inside a Beyond vehicle, and he gave us about 15-20 minutes. That was it. We didn't even go through the Ford chassis.
No, we
Didn't even go through the instrument panel. And he basically said he doesn't know what all this stuff is, and he wasn't going to touch it, or we shouldn't touch it, just work off of this panel. And then obviously, as you can see, with this panel, you have...
Yeah, if you go here, there is this error message, or alert at least.
Alert. You
And
click
they
on
say
that.
It is reporting a fault.
And that reports a fault. So I believe when he was showing you the temperature and showed how you increase the temperature, that tried to trigger, I'm guessing, the heater. And the heater, based on what I can see, is set to gas. Gas would be propane, which makes me believe that the propane tank's not on. That tripped it. So let's go ahead and try to do that. And so you're going to try... Why don't you double push that? Okay.
Oh, seems that it's gone.
So we were able to eliminate it. We eliminated the fault button, and
So we should be good to go.
Here's for the beginners. We debugged it with simple logic, but literally we've only had this Beyond for about 2 hours, and we already had a default. So I think we figured it out, and I think, as crazy as it sounds, the RV technician who has a full-time job doing this couldn't do what we just did. And
Working now.
And it's working?
You can tell. Yeah, listen to this sound.
Yes, you're correct. So the heat is actually popping on.
Good.
In addition. So beautiful Beyond. We did a lot of research. We love this This Class B, it's our favorite. We looked at many.
Yep.
And we were nervous right out of the gate.
It was like, what the hell? We just got it.
We just got it. So you can follow us on, How to Have Fun RVing, but you can also follow us on our favorite channel, which is How to Have Fun Outdoors. And we also have what's called Easy Bio Bus, where we take some of our products to our end users and give it away for free. And but here you go.
Work hard and play hard.
Work hard and play hard. There you go.
Yep.
But I think we got it figured out. You feeling good?
Yes. Now we
So,
can have heat.
I always say start with logic, kind of think through it, and there you go. No manuals, no calls, no nothing. And we did it. I'm pretty pumped. Hey.
Yeah.
All right. So hopefully that's our first and last RV issue.
Yeah, for sure.